Hello everyone, I am Victor Faisca, and today we are going to start our day with some gentle and invigorating yoga. This session is perfect for beginners and will help you feel energized and ready to take on whatever the day brings. Let's begin.
We'll start with some deep breathing exercises. Find your comfortable seated position, closing your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Move your neck left and right, side to side. Feel the tension leaving your body. Don't be tough. Move your neck, saying no to the negative emotions, left and right. Now saying yes to the positive energy, positive emotions. Then we continue to stretch the back by doing our trunk rotations. Placing one hand behind you and the other in front of you. Start moving your shoulders forward. Stretch your arms, starting with the right one. Put it back. Left one. Keep always breathing and breathing out while you are doing your stretching. Now, let's move into mountain pose. Standing with your feet together, grounding yourself into the mat. Inhale deeply and exhale. One more time. Inhale and exhale slowly. Reach your arms up towards the sky, stretching your entire body. Feel the energy flowing from your fingertips down to your toes. Next, we'll move into a forward fold. Hinge at your hips and let your torso fall forward. Bend your knees slightly if you need it. Just let your head hang heavy and release any tension in your neck and shoulders. While you are here, you can move right and left. Next, place your hands on the mat and step back into a plank pose. Engage your core, keeping your body in a straight line. Hold here for a few breaths. This pose builds strength and prepares us for the day ahead. From here, just push your hands far from your chest to do your cobra pose, to stretch your lower back. Tuck your toes and activate your downward dog pose. You can pedal your legs slowly to stretch your hamstrings, step your right foot beside your hands and bring up your warrior one pose, paying attention to your back foot slightly rotating 45 degrees. Keep your chest up. Throw your hands towards the sky. Move forward, putting your hands beside your front foot and come back to your plank pose. Hold it here for a few breaths and activate your Chaturanga, Vinyasa. Move up to Cobra. Breathe in and breathe out, understanding each move you are doing. Tuck your toes. Push up to your downward dog. Understand the flow going through your body from your root chakra towards your crown. Breathe in and breathe out. Now, kick your left foot and activate your warrior one again. This posture is going to help you to balance, not only come back to center, but you also can feel a deeper connection with yourself. Move your hands up. This is a variation for Warrior 1. Put your hands on the mat, activating your Vinyasa. Chaturanga, untuck your toes, Cobra pose. Now, slowly come into child pose. Sit back on your heels, stretch your arms forward, and rest your forehead on the mat. This pose is great for relaxation and stretching the back. Tuck your toes, come back to your tabletop, and raise the right arm towards the sky, doing your trunk rotation in this position. Now, do it with the other arm. When you are done, come back to a seated position. Putting your hands on top of your knees. Pay attention about your breath, in and out. And now, slowly send your body back, activating your core. Activate your asana, shavasana. Just enjoying the present moment. Let's take a moment to embrace the stillness and gratitude. Today we celebrate our bodies, our breath, and our unwavering commitment to self-love and self-care. Thank you, body, for your strength and resilience. Thank you, breath, for your steady rhythm and calm. Thank you, heart, for your boundless love and kindness. Carry this gratitude with you throughout the day, knowing that you are enough, you are loved, and you are worthy of all the beauty life has to offer. Namaste.
Thank you for joining me this morning. Remember, starting your day with yoga can make a huge difference in how you feel and perform. Have a wonderful and beautiful day, and I'll see you next time. Keep shining your light. Namaste.